grounds the witness said is typographical that you are milking that and say it's substantial?
Just for the record, it was a manifestation.
Manifestation
That's why
of counsel for respondent is duly noted. Insofar as the counter manifestation of the counsel for prosecution, the witness already answered. That is a typographical
Thank you so much.
error from his point of view. Senator Judge Valentino, then we proceed to cross.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer. So ito po yung continuation po ito ng tanong ko kanina tungkol sa general denial tsaka specific denial. Pero bago yun, Attorney Penuan, let me ask Attorney Roto, kanina po, tinanong kayo kung bakit nyo tinuloy yung kaso, no? Why you continued with filing. Sabi niyo po kanina, hindi naman siguro siya magsisinungaling. Siya meaning the Vice President. Could you just quickly tell me, what do you mean by that? Hindi naman siguro siya magsisinungaling.
Well, the surrounding circumstances were that time. Sabi ko na galing.
Sorry.
At salita. At ito ay natugat pa sa mga naunang event. So doon, kung binika niya na huwag kang alamang sapagkat may sa security ko, sapagkat may kinausap na ako from the point of view of the
So, you took it as true.
yes.
Okay. In succeeding interviews, I'm sure nag-imbestiga ka, meron bang pagtanggi dito sa pagkausap sa isang tao na papatay may mangyari kay Vice President Duterte? Meron ba kayong napanood o naimbestigahan na pagtanggi nito in the succeeding interviews?
Yes, Your Honor, I think there was a video dated November 26, 2024. Doon sa video na instead na i-reiterate ko nila yung video niya na hindi may kinausap siyang tao. So, inulit pa, kumbaga.
So, let me repeat my question to the defense. So far, wala pang actual statement si Vice President Duterte na tinatanggi itong pagkausap sa isang hitman. And for the benefit of the public, magkaiba mo kasi yung general denial sa specific denial. General denial, hindi ko ginawa yan. Wala akong kasalanan. Yung specific denial, hindi ko ginawa itong mismo mga bagay-bagay na ito. Hindi ko yung nakita sa sagot ng depensa. So I asked the defense, is there a denial that the Vice President actually spoke to a person to contract to kill the individuals that we're talking about, the individual? Sabi niyo meron.
Your Honor,
You point us to where it is in your answer.
Your Honor, I just want to clarify because specific denial is a legal term. So in other words, we just want, in order to satisfy the query of Senator Judge Aquino,